I like to play with my friends and I like my teacher.
Yeah, the teachers are great. The events are really cool, and yeah, the teachers really helped me a lot with math, and I really so happy that I'm in this school because I really love it.
I like about GISSB that we don't just learn, but we play games. It's like you're like suddenly you know that you're doing it and you know when you're going to do it.
I really like the academics. At GISSV, you get a really good education, and it is really challenging, but you do learn a lot, and it does pay off. The teachers, you can tell that they genuinely care about you and your education, and because of that, GISSV is like the gateway to having you succeed throughout the rest of your life.
What I like about the school is the good working environment in the classrooms and also the supportive relationship between students and teachers.
I love and appreciate the intelligence, commitment, and thoughtfulness of the teachers. The structure of the educational program that really follows the known process of child development and doesn't get carried away with every new fad or feeling. And the deep care that genuinely runs through almost every aspect of the school. It's palpable to me in people's relationships to one another, and there are more lasting and genuine friendships here than I think I've encountered in any other place I've worked before.
Yeah, I've been here a year. I love this school, and the reason why I love this school is I feel part of the community. The students are amazing. They play a big role in how I feel, honestly, and I'm connected to them. They're eager to learn, they are very intelligent, and they go above and beyond.
We like GISSV because of the good-sized classes with, customized education and instruction. My son, he's in the 4th grade. He didn't know any German when we started, but now he can read and write. It's been a great, rewarding experience. We really like the community, great people, and good education.
We've been part of the GISSV community for close to 4 years now, and we've loved every minute of it. Our child loves every minute of it. She loves the teachers. She just loves the whole environment.
So thank you all very much for being part of a very vibrant community.